Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video I want to show you how to find people on X from your contacts. So first of all, you have to sync your contacts on X. Let's do that together. Open X application on your phone and you want to tap your profile picture in the top left corner of your screen. Now in this menu, let's scroll a little bit down to settings and privacy. Now, as you can see, your settings are divided into several sections. You want to go to privacy and safety section. Now here find discoverability and contacts. And under the tab with contacts, find this option that says sync address book contacts, and please make sure that it's on. So after this, after you enable it, X will ask you to decide if you want to share all of your contacts that you have on your phone in your address book, or you can select specific people who you want to share on X. So after you do that, let's finally find people. To do that, you have to go to search section at the bottom side of the screen, which is magnifying glass icon. Now let's scroll until you reach who to follow section. Let's tap show more, simply to make it more comfortable to expand the list. And if you scroll here, if you browse this page, you might see different people from your contacts. They might appear right here. And if you follow someone from your contacts and you want to follow them, just use this black button, follow, next to every single person that you want to follow. So that's basically how you can find people from your contacts on X. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.